Hi, this is Zoe with Telycam. In the latest September 2025 firmware update, Telycam PTZ cameras bring several major new features. Let's dive right in and see what's new. The first one is NDI Bridge Integration. No extra software, the camera's web UI now comes with NDI Bridge built in. That means you can instantly turn your camera into an NDI Bridge Join endpoint without installing NDI Tools on a computer. For producers, this makes remote contribution much easier. You can bring in a camera feed from another location over the internet, control it, and use it in your workflow seamlessly. Perfect for remote production setups, satellite events, and hybrid workflows. Another big update in this firmware is the integration of the NDI 6.2 Discovery Server. So what does that actually mean for us as users? Normally, NDI devices like cameras and software find each other automatically on the network using something called MDNS, and that works great for small setups. But once you have a lot of devices, let's say in a broadcast studio, campus, or enterprise network, this discovery traffic can get pretty heavy. It can even make the network harder to manage. And with the Discovery Server, Telycam cameras now can register directly to a central Discovery Server instead of relying on the MDNS. That means your NDI sources in this specific room are organized in one place. Other receivers or software connected to the same Discovery Server can instantly see and use those sources. You avoid the unnecessary network noise that comes with MDNS when you've got dozens of devices. In other words, it's cleaner, more scalable, and more reliable, especially in large or more complex environments where multicast might not be possible or desirable. So if you're a system integrator, an IT manager, or anyone setting up multiple PTZ cameras, this is going to save you time, bandwidth, and headaches. Enhanced white balance. Color accuracy is everything in video production and video live streaming. In this update, manual white balance now supports grain gain adjustment. Why does that matter? Imagine shooting under mixed lighting, LED, fluorescent, or stage lights. Sometimes you end up with a picture that's either too pink or too green. With grain gain control, you now have a third dimension of adjustment alongside red and blue, giving you pinpoint precision for natural skin tones and color matching across multiple cameras. The next one is a big deal, FreeD over NDI. That's right, not FreeD and NDI, but FreeD over NDI. And now, with just a single Ethernet cable, your Telycam camera can send video, power, control, and FreeD metadata all together. No capture cards, no expensive SDI cables. This opens the door to lightweight VR, AR, and XR production, making it easier than ever to sync PTZ movements with virtual sets and Vizrt Virtual Studio Go. Telycam is the only third-party brand supporting FreeD over NDI with Vizrt Virtual Studio Go. Enterprises, schools, churches, and government institutions now can bring professional virtual production into their workflow affordably and with less complexity. But just remember, FreeD must be enabled and set to frequency 60 for PTZ data to transmit correctly. Side mount support. Not every camera is installed upright. Sometimes, due to venue design, cameras need to be mounted sideways, and previously, flipping the picture required workarounds. Now with the side mount support in the web UI, you get a one-click menu switch to instantly rotate the image. And this makes installation more flexible, operation easier, and ensures you always get the right orientation no matter how the camera is physically installed. Web screenshot feature. In some cases, live streamers and broadcasters need quick stills without interrupting a live stream. And with the new web screenshot feature, you can generate a screenshot by typing in the camera's IP address into this URL, and then embed this URL straight into the live broadcast software. And that means you can pull high-quality reference images instantly without affecting stream smoothness or stability. It's simple, fast, and production-friendly. Ready to try it out? download the latest firmware from the Telycam website linked down below, please make sure to check the upgrade guide before upgrading since requirements may vary by different models. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.